Welcome to the most exclusive club in the world. You've just entered the inner sanctum of the human body, the colon. Look at these walls, glistening, muscular, and constantly moving in a rhythmic dance called peristalsis. Right now you are a formless, watery soup. You're the ghost of a double cheeseburger and that diet soda you had yesterday. You're currently in the waiting room of biology. In this dark, humid tunnel, your host's body is performing a miracle. It's extracting every last drop of water, every essential electrolyte, turning you from a liquid mess into a solid legend. You aren't just waste yet. You're an artist's rough draft, waiting for the final touches of the gut microbiome. Let's break down your DNA. You think you're solid? Think again. 75% of your existence is pure water. That's right, you're basically a high-tech water balloon with an attitude. But that remaining 25%, that's where things get gritty. See those tangled structures? Those are the survivors. The cellulose, the fibers, that corn kernel staring at the camera. It's a survivor. Humans lack the enzymes to break down plant cell walls, so these fibers act as the scaffolding for your entire structure. They are the broom that sweeps the colon clean. Without them, you'd just be a sticky, formless blob with no way out. Fiber is your best friend, your architect, and your getaway driver. Look closer, zoom in. Under the microscope, you are a literal battlefield. 1/3 of your solid mass is made of bacteria. Millions, billions, trillions of them. Some are alive, fighting for space, while others are the fallen soldiers of the digestive war. Meet the bacteroides and the firmicutes. They've been working 24/7, fermenting sugars and producing vitamins like vitamin K. You are a traveling ecosystem, a biological city that never sleeps. And now look at the vortex. As the colon absorbs water, everything is being churned, mixed and compressed. It's like a violent, slow-motion cement mixer. Bacteria, fiber, dead cells and water are being fused together into one final, cohesive identity. Time for the paint job. Why aren't you neon pink or electric blue? Because your liver is a master of recycling. Every day your liver destroys old red blood cells, creating a vibrant yellow pigment called bilirubin. It's basically liquid gold. This bilirubin travels down the bile duct like neon lava and mixes with you. But wait, the magic isn't done. Your gut bacteria take that yellow pigment and chemically reduce it into stercobilin. That is the specific chemical responsible for your iconic mahogany brown hue. It's a badge of honor. It tells the world that your liver is working, your bile is flowing, and your bacteria are healthy. You are a masterpiece of organic chemistry. Welcome to the Bristol Stool Scale, the only social hierarchy that matters in the bathroom. Let's judge some contestants. Type 1. Look at these hard, lonely pebbles. If you're a Type 1, your host hasn't seen a glass of water in days. You're stressed, you're dehydrated, and you're basically a rock collection. Type 7. On the other extreme, we have total chaos. The body sensed a toxin and hit the eject button. No absorption, no form, just a watery exit. But then, look at Type 4. Smooth, sausage-shaped and elegant. This is the gold medal of pooping. It's the sign of a balanced life. If you are a Type 4, you should be proud. You're the influencer of the porcelain world. Now we have to address the elephant in the room. The smell. That essence is a complex perfume of hydrogen sulfide, indole and scatole. It's the byproduct of bacteria feasting on proteins. But here is the world's weirdest secret: scatole. In high concentrations, it's a biological weapon. But in extremely tiny diluted amounts, it smells like orange blossoms and jasmine. It's literally an ingredient in luxury perfumes and food flavorings. Yes, a part of you is technically high-end fashion. You are a walking contradiction. A stinky mess that, under the right conditions, could be a bouquet of flowers. Don't try to prove this to your friends. Just trust the science. The end is near. The rectal stretch receptors have fired the alarm. The brain has received the signal. The internal sphincter, the gatekeeper of the body, is beginning to relax. You're moving toward the light. This is your Apollo 11 moment. The walls are contracting, the pressure is building, and gravity is about to take over. You see the white ceramic horizon. You're about to leave the only home you've ever known. It's a moment of liberation. You're not just waste anymore. You're an explorer entering a new world. 3, 2, 1. Houston, we have liftoff. Splash! The impact is perfect. The mission is a success. But your journey isn't over. As the handle turns and the water roars, you disappear into the dark abyss of the pipes. You're headed for the wastewater treatment plant, where you might be turned into fertilizer to grow a tree or biogas to power a home. You were born in the dark, but you'll end up as part of the circle of life. You are the ultimate recycler. Thanks for watching Dirty Science. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check your work before you flush. Stay dirty, scientists.